Have you ever turned over a log in the woods and been startled by a tiny beetle that suddenly snaps into the air with a sharp, unmistakable click? It's a moment that surprises many, and it's just a glimpse into the hidden world beneath our feet. That's the click beetle, nature's tiny acrobat, a master of escape and agility. These remarkable insects are found in forests, gardens, and even your backyard, quietly performing their acrobatic feats. Today, we're shining a spotlight on one of the most fascinating members of this group, the Adelocera beetle. With its sleek body and powerful muscles, it's a true marvel of insect engineering. These beetles are equipped with a built-in escape mechanism that's both surprising and highly effective, allowing them to evade danger in the blink of an eye. Their ability to launch themselves into the air isn't just a party trick, it's a critical survival tool, honed by millions of years of evolution. Imagine being a beetle, suddenly flipped onto your back, legs flailing, completely exposed and vulnerable to hungry predators lurking nearby. But for Adelocera, this isn't a disaster, it's just a minor inconvenience, easily overcome with a single, powerful movement. With a sudden, powerful snap, the beetle rights itself and scurries away to safety, disappearing into the undergrowth before danger can strike. This extraordinary clicking talent has fascinated scientists, naturalists, and curious minds for centuries, inspiring countless studies and sparking wonder in all who witness it. It's a perfect example of evolution's simple yet brilliant solutions, an elegant answer to the challenges of survival in a world full of threats. Throughout this journey, we'll uncover the secrets behind their unique clicking mechanism, explore the mysterious lives of their larvae hidden beneath the soil, and reveal the vital role these beetles play in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. So, let's dive in together and discover the amazing acrobatic world of Adelocera, the unsung heroes of the insect kingdom. The Adelocera beetle's signature move is its explosive click, a sudden, powerful snap that can launch it high into the air. But what's really happening inside this tiny insect? How does such a small creature create such a dramatic effect? Deep within its body, a special hinge between the thorax segments acts like a spring-loaded lever. This unique anatomical feature is the secret behind the beetle's incredible acrobatics. When the beetle senses danger or finds itself upside down, it arches its back, locking a tiny spine into a groove. This action stores up energy, building tension like a coiled spring ready to be released. With a sudden, forceful flex, the spine snaps free from the groove. Instantly, the stored energy is unleashed, launching the beetle into the air with a loud, unmistakable click that echoes through the forest floor. This spring-loaded mechanism is more than just a party trick, it's a powerful defense, startling would-be predators, and flipping the beetle upright if it's been knocked over by a gust of wind or a curious animal. The entire process, from arching to launching, happens in a split second, so fast that it's almost impossible to see with the naked eye. High-speed cameras reveal the astonishing speed and precision of this maneuver. Unlike grasshoppers, which rely on their powerful legs to leap, click beetles use their whole body as a lever. This means they don't need bulky, jumping legs, allowing them to remain slim and agile. This adaptation lets them stay streamlined for crawling into tight spaces, burrowing into soil, or squeezing between rocks, places where predators can't easily follow. If a bird or other predator attacks, the beetle's sudden jump and sharp clicking sound can confuse and distract, giving it a precious moment to escape. Sometimes the beetle even lands several body lengths away from danger. And if the beetle lands on its back, it simply clicks and flips again, repeating the process until it's safely upright and ready to scurry away. The family name, Adelocera, comes from this unique trick. Alater means driver or leaper, a fitting name for a beetle famous for its spring-powered jumps. In nature, survival often depends on having a remarkable escape plan, and Adelocera's is one of the best. Ingenious, efficient, and perfectly evolved, the click beetle's spring-loaded trick is a marvel of natural engineering. Adelocera beetles are found worldwide, thriving in forests, meadows, fields, and even gardens. They prefer habitats rich in cover and organic material, under bark, inside logs, beneath rocks, or deep in leaf litter. Their earthy colors provide excellent camouflage, making them hard to spot during the day. The larval stage, known as the wireworm, lives entirely underground, so females lay eggs in moist, decaying soil. Agricultural fields and grasslands with dense roots are prime real estate for these beetles. Forests, with fallen trees and rotting stumps are ideal, offering shelter for adults and food for larvae. Even compost piles or old firewood in gardens can host bustling beetle communities. Their presence signals a healthy ecosystem, where decay and nutrient cycling are in full swing. Adelocera beetles are quiet but essential players in these environments. Up close, Adelocera beetles have an elongated, flattened body, perfect for squeezing into crevices. Their tough exoskeleton protects them from predators and damage. Subtle brown or black colors help them blend into soil and wood. The head is small, tucked under a shield-like pronotum, which is key to their clicking mechanism. Serrated or thread-like antennae help them sense chemicals and vibrations. They have 2 pairs of wings, hardened elytra for protection, and delicate hind wings for short flights. Sturdy legs grip plant stems and bark. Every feature is built for survival, camouflage, protection, and escape. Adelocera is a masterclass in evolutionary design. When night falls, Adelocera beetles emerge from hiding to feed and reproduce. Being nocturnal helps them avoid daytime predators like birds. They're strongly attracted to artificial lights, often spiraling toward porch lamps on summer nights. This confusion is due to their natural navigation by moon and stars. At night, adults search for food. Many feed on plant tissues, nectar, or sap, while some eat fungi or small invertebrates. Their mouth parts are adapted for chewing or lapping up liquids. Nighttime is also when romance happens. Males use their antennae to track females by scent. Mating usually occurs under cover of darkness, reducing predation risk. After mating, females search for the perfect spot to lay eggs, ensuring the next generation's survival. The night is when the click beetle's world truly comes alive. The Adelocera life cycle begins as a tiny egg, carefully laid in moist, organic-rich soil. Each egg is almost invisible to the naked eye, nestled among particles of earth and decaying leaves. The mother beetle selects the perfect spot, ensuring her offspring will have the best chance at survival, protected from predators and harsh weather. When the eggs hatch, wireworm larvae emerge, long, slender, and tough, built for life underground. These larvae are immediately active, instinctively burrowing deeper into the soil to avoid danger and seek out food. Their armored bodies protect them as they burrow through soil, searching for food. This tough outer layer shields them from soil-dwelling predators and abrasive particles, allowing them to navigate the complex underground world with ease. The wireworm stage can last several years, far longer than the adult's brief life. Throughout this time, the larva experiences the changing seasons, adapting to fluctuations in temperature and moisture as it grows. During this time, they feed on decaying material, plant roots, and seeds, sometimes becoming agricultural pests. Their appetite is relentless, and in large numbers they can cause significant damage to crops, making them a concern for farmers. They molt several times, growing larger with each shed skin. Each molt marks a new stage of development as the larva gradually transforms and prepares for adulthood. Development speed depends on temperature, moisture, and food availability. In warm, damp conditions with plenty of food, growth is rapid, but in harsher environments, progress slows dramatically. In poor conditions, larval growth slows, extending their underground life. Some wireworms may remain hidden for up to 5 years, waiting for the right moment to continue their journey. This hidden stage is crucial, as the larva gathers energy for its transformation. Every meal and every day spent underground prepares it for the dramatic change to come. The wireworm's long, secret life is the foundation for the beetle's resilience. Its ability to survive and adapt underground ensures the next generation will thrive. Only after years underground does it prepare for its final transformation, entering a new stage that will eventually bring it to the surface as an adult beetle, ready to begin the cycle once again. After years as a wireworm, the larva is ready for metamorphosis. It burrows deeper, building a protective chamber in the soil. Inside, it sheds its skin one last time and becomes a pupa, a resting stage where its body is completely reorganized. The pupa looks like a pale, mummified beetle, immobile and vulnerable. Internally, tissues are rebuilt into the adult's exoskeleton, wings, and clicking mechanism. This transformation takes a few weeks, depending on soil temperature. Once complete, the adult beetle emerges, but may stay underground until its body hardens. Many overwinter as new adults, surfacing in spring or early summer. The adult's main mission: find a mate and continue the cycle. From egg to wireworm, Pupa to Acrobat, the Adelocera's life is a marvel of transformation. Adelocera beetles and their wireworm larvae have a dual reputation. In agriculture, wireworms are notorious pests, feeding on roots and seeds of crops like potatoes and corn, causing significant damage. Their underground lifestyle makes them hard to control, and a single generation can impact crops for years. Yet in natural habitats, wireworms are vital decomposers, breaking down organic matter and aerating the soil. Both adults and larvae are important food for birds, mammals, reptiles, and predatory insects. Parasitic wasps, flies, and fungi also help keep their populations in check. Whether pest or protector depends on context, highlighting the complexity of their ecological role. Adelocera beetles remind us that every species has a place in the web of life. As we wrap up our journey, the Adelocera beetle stands as a symbol of nature's ingenuity and interconnectedness. Its spring-loaded escape, hidden larval life, and role in the ecosystem show the power of adaptation. Even the smallest creatures have big impacts, recycling nutrients, feeding others, and maintaining healthy soils. Environmental changes threaten even resilient insects like Adelocera, reminding us of the need to protect all habitats. Next time you hear a click under a log, remember the story behind it. A survivor, an acrobat, a tiny engineer. Every creature matters, and every story deepens our connection to the natural world. There's always something new to discover, right beneath our feet. Thanks for joining us in exploring the world of Adelocera.